Welcome to the fascinating world of computer science algorithms. In this video, we will explore the top 10 most interesting algorithms ever created. These ingenious techniques devised by software engineers have made significant breakthroughs in solving real-world problems. Get ready to dive into a world of innovation, unexpected insights, and delightful surprises. Number 1. The butterfly effect algorithm. The flutter of a butterfly's wings can cause a tornado on the other side of the world. Chaos theory. The butterfly effect algorithm takes inspiration from the chaos theory, which suggests that small changes can have vast repercussions. This algorithm aims to predict the long-term behavior of dynamic systems by considering the impact of minute initial conditions. By analyzing the smallest details, software engineers can gain insights into the complex and unpredictable nature of the world around us. Number 2. The ant colony optimization algorithm. Have you ever wondered how ants are able to find the shortest path to their food source? The ant colony optimization algorithm mimics the behavior of ants to solve complex optimization problems. By sharing information and following simple rules, virtual ants explore possible solutions and gradually converge on the optimal path. This algorithm has been successfully applied to various fields, such as routing problems and scheduling. Number 3. The Monty problem algorithm. Imagine you're on a game show, and there are 3 doors. Behind one door is a car, and behind the other 2 doors are goats. You choose a door. Let's say door number 1. The host, Monty Hall, who knows what's behind each door, opens another door revealing a goat. Now, Monty gives you the option to stick with your initial choice or switch to the remaining closed door. What would you do? The Monty Hall problem algorithm challenges our intuition and demonstrates the power of probability. It shows that by switching doors, you increase your chances of winning the car. This counterintuitive concept has been a subject of much debate and has sparked lively discussions among mathematicians and computer scientists. Number 4. The PageRank algorithm. Every single web page has its own place in the web. Larry Page. The PageRank algorithm, developed by Larry Page and Sergey Brin at Stanford University, revolutionized web search. This algorithm assigns a numerical weight to every web page, indicating its importance based on the number and quality of links pointing to it. By considering the interconnectedness of web pages, search engines can provide more relevant results and accurately rank web pages in their search results. Number 5. The RSA encryption algorithm. Privacy and security are of utmost importance in our digital age. The RSA encryption algorithm, named after its inventors Rivest, Shamir, and Edelman, is a groundbreaking approach to securing online communication. This algorithm utilizes public key cryptography, where a pair of keys, one public and one private, are used for encryption and decryption. Its complexity lies in the fact that it is computationally infeasible to derive the private key from the public key, ensuring secure communication and data protection. Number 6. The genetic algorithm. Inspired by the principles of biological evolution, the genetic algorithm mimics natural selection and genetic variation to solve complex problems. By representing potential solutions as genes and evolving a population of solutions over multiple generations, this algorithm can find optimal or near-optimal solutions to a wide range of problems. From optimizing complex engineering designs to solving intricate puzzles, the genetic algorithm showcases the power of evolution as a problem-solving tool. Number 7. The fast Fourier transform algorithm. The fast Fourier transform (FFT) algorithm revolutionized signal processing and data analysis. By decomposing a time domain signal into its frequency components, The FFT algorithm enables efficient computation of the Fourier transform. This algorithm finds extensive applications in fields such as telecommunications, image processing, and audio compression. Its rapid computation speed has made it an invaluable tool for analyzing and manipulating digital signals. Number 8. The Dijkstra's algorithm. Finding the shortest path in a graph is a common problem in computer science. Dijkstra's algorithm provides an elegant and efficient solution to this problem. By iteratively expanding the graph from the initial node, this algorithm gradually explores and updates the shortest paths to all other nodes. Its simplicity and effectiveness have made it a staple in routing and network optimization. Number 9. The traveling salesman problem algorithm. Imagine being a traveling salesman trying to find the shortest route to visit a set of cities. The traveling salesman problem algorithm tackles this complex optimization problem by finding the shortest possible route that visits each city exactly once and returns to the starting city. Though finding the exact solution is computationally demanding, various heuristic algorithms, such as the nearest neighbor algorithm and the simulated annealing algorithm, have been developed to approximate the optimal solution efficiently. Number 10. The a priori algorithm. Uncovering patterns and associations in large datasets is a task of great significance in data mining. The a priori algorithm has proven to be a valuable tool for frequent item set mining. By generating candidate sets and progressively pruning infrequent sets, this algorithm efficiently discovers frequent item sets and association rules. Its application ranges from market basket analysis to DNA sequence analysis, offering valuable insights in various domains. Computer science algorithms have revolutionized our understanding of the world and provided innovative solutions to complex real-world problems. From chaos theory-inspired algorithms to those mimicking biological evolution, these algorithms showcase the incredible creativity and problem-solving abilities of software engineers. By exploring the top 10 weirdest algorithms, we have delved into a realm where unexpected insights and unconventional solutions reign supreme. Keep exploring and embracing the quirky world of algorithms, for it is through these endeavors that we continue to push the boundaries of what technology can achieve. So, next time you encounter a problem, think outside the box, get inspired by the weird algorithms, and pave your own path to an ingenious solution.